Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome from Mumbai, unlike the weather you guys are experiencing there. Let me begin by apologizing to everybody for missing out on this fabulous opportunity to speak to this audience. Having said that, what I'm sending across from Mumbai is a quick opening remark for this session. I hope it forms enough fodder for the discussions to be carried on henceforth. So really coming back to the topic, I think in India, if one thing that's really been buzzing in the last year and a half, it's been digital advertising. Every media magazine that you pick up, every media note that you pick up, anything to do with advertising, it's really digital advertising that's on the forefront. But does it actually reflect in the kind of business we're doing currently? Actually not. The entire pie, if you look at the digital media pie in India today, and I'm talking from an advertising and publishing point of view, it's about $300 million on the outside, and that includes search, display, whatever little of mobile advertising that happens. But that's not where the story is. The story really is in the growth, and we've been looking at about 40-45% growth year on year, and there is no reason why, if we keep the current momentum, we're looking at a $2 billion industry in the next 3 to 4 years. And that is a really sizable pie, and especially so in the last 6 months, what's really been happening is we've been looking at a lot of hardcore traditional advertisers coming onto this medium. And that's really heartening for all of us, the key players in this segment. We're seeing the FMCG boys upping their spends, we're seeing the auto guys upping their spends, we're seeing new categories like education coming onto it. So yes, so in all, it looks extremely good going ahead. It's making a difference right now. We're just about starting to build momentum, but I think it's going to keep up that pace or become much more in the days to come. In terms of what the challenges we have, of course, we have the usual challenges of bandwidth, of broadband, things which any emerging economy will have. But there are also opportunities. You'll see these opportunities explode in the next couple of years. You'll see broadband growth happening. Regionalization of content, the language content again, is something that we're seeing huge growth in. For example, in India today, Yahoo in Hindi serves much more pages than Yahoo in English. Now that's a great economic indicator of what's actually happening and where the internet growth is coming from. So yes, so for investors, it's a great opportunity. It's a starting off market, and I don't remember any time in the last decade or so where in an emerging economy like India, you would get an opportunity to invest in a growing medium like this. We saw the radio explosion happening in India about 4 or 5 years back. There's still about grappling, there are a lot of legalities involved there, a lot of policy issues. But with internet, there's a great opportunity for investors to actually look at a booming economy, look at synergies of what's happening globally. So a lot of global investors are interested, a lot of global networks are interested, because today global clients are demanding digital at the forefront of anything that they do, and UK is a great example of that. Today, digital in the UK is the prime medium, and that's bound to happen in any economy, especially so in India, where we have such a young population. So I think yes, it's exciting times ahead. It's challenging, but I think the challenging and the foreplay days are over. It's really action now, and it's a great time for everybody who's actually wanting to have a pie of this great, a share of this great pie. It's a great time to be in India. It's a great time to look for investment opportunities. There aren't many players. $300 million, you have 5 to 6 dominant players, that's it. So now's the time to really look into investment opportunities. All I would say is welcome to India.